our channel. And today we are in a special place. This is called Hina Boutique.
Yes.
So she is Mrs. Hina and she is running this boutique from past 2 years. So we are coming regularly here for the ladies and also for gents, for trousers and jeans and also for suits. So we find it's very simple place and also with more varieties with less cost compared to others.
Yeah.
So
exactly.
because so many people also ask like you get for less cost, where do you buy? So that's why I want to make a video to show all my viewers. So why do you give this much less cost with a beautiful thing?
First of all, thank you that people who do shopping, or when comes to especially to ladies, if they are buying something in a low price and that way good quality and good product, they won't share with their friends. So that's great, the viewers, that you are getting a very good video by him. So basically we have our own production from where, like from stitching part se leke making fabric and the dyeing or the zarika part, we make it do in-house. So in that way you are getting a very good quality ka product and low price. Basically other boutiques what they do, or the business over boutique ka, what they keep is like product pe they add a percentage. We are not here to take a percentage kind of thing basically. So when it comes to the manufacturing ka product ka cost, and we are adding a minimum kind of miscellaneous expenses than profits, then it comes to almost 70% off comparative from the market.
So you have your own manufacturing department.
Exactly.
Okay, that's right.
So we have our own production of fabrics where we do the dyeable fabrics we have, where you can select multiple kind of colors. So that's gives the best option for the ladies. And the second part is it's like after getting it dye, they can get a work also done. It might be a digital print, it might be a zarika work, it might be kind of surface embellishments, people what it call. So they have multiple choice to select.
Okay. So in most of the boutiques when I went with my wife or with my mother, we see like aged people like above 40, and you are very young, you started this boutique. So what made you interested?
Basically, people usually get this thought like how can you get this much of experience in low age? So from my childhood, my mama who used to run a kind of a workshop for the boutique, she had a stitching unit, she had some kind of work carigars and all also. So from that time I got an interest. Then later I pursued from NIFT, which is National Institute of Fashion and Technology. Then later we have done few fashion shows, and I got awarded from Central also, from Smriti Irani. So that was a CBMD fashion show. So I have done in my handloom collection. So my concept over there was a contemporary ethnic wear with a very good kind of surface embellishments, because we are in Hyderabad. So I got that theme that I have to do with this something with the Nizam touch. So handloom with something with the Nizam touch, kind of pearl and all that embroideries and all. So I got a few kind of nice appreciations from there. Then it's been like 2015 when we launched this Hina through Label Bazaar. It was in Deep Park Hayat, the season 4th, I think. I remember that season 4. So Anam Mirza was the host for the Label Bazaar. Then from there we got kind of few nice clients. And go on, like apart from that, now we are doing exhibitions and all also. But apart from that, people who come over here, they get lots of variety of options to purchase, and for the customization and for the designer wear. And when they come here, we won't charge kind of designer services first of all, and we give them breakage, whether they can shop, their shopping might be a fabric, might be a dress, might be a customization. We won't charge like higher cost or a kind of a percentage basis on a one single designer garment.
So only for stitching charges will be there, and nominal cost.
Nominal. We have a stitching charges to fix completely. Then apart from that, the fabric if they are purchasing, then that gonna cost on a manufacturing cost. Or else if they are getting their own fabric also, we entertain them.
So can we see some models?
We can. So on ఇది మనం డిజైన్ చేసిందే. సో దీంట్లో షేడెడ్ ఆంబ్రే స్టైల్ అవుతాయి కంప్లీట్లీ. ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ఆరెంజ్, బట్ ఆరెంజ్ లో యూ హ్యావ్ కంప్లీట్ షేడ్స్, darker tone to the lighter tone. And even this one was a dyeable fabric. We can get it dye any color we want, just like we have one green also available in this. I'll show you that too. And over here you can see even isme bhi completely dyeable fabric was there what we have done. So this is a complete dyed wale fabric, so we have made it done with the ombre shades. Even the dupatta is a dyeable one. The Lucknowi blouse, of course the people are crazy about Lucknowi blouse, and Lucknowi fabric is in trend basically. What we have done from Lucknowi fabric, we have did this highlighting work. So after the ombre shade, after doing this intricate work, it's looking more beautiful. And the dupattas mein we have like more options according to the client's requirement. Even the fabric, dyeable fabric what we have more options we can go through with that. Designs we have in Lucknowi fabrics with dyeable one, we have 732 colors ke options. Where market cost might be 850, we are giving it from 450 to 650 according to design. And dyeable fabrics mein we have plenty of fabrics, which is on net, which is on georgette, which is on even chiffon. If you see, even on chiffon we have designs. So apart from designing on dyeable fabric, we are even ready to supply it. We even do for few designers who are interested to buy in manufacturing cost, people come to us. So to compare this market ka cost, you can even see this. This is a butter crepe. What market cost is 60 rupees per meter, and we have only for 36 rupees per meter. And the quality you can check whenever you come over here. And this is cambric cotton. People buy it for 55 rupees per meter for the linings and all, or the 60 rupees per meter. We give it only for 36 rupees per meter. And what we charge for the tailoring part, which is in fixed cost, we won't charge for linings. Like princess cut, crossbelt, katori cut, it might be any kind of blouses. We charge only 450, and you don't need to provide any linings, or you don't need to even provide anything else. It can be any design pattern, it can be deep neck, it can be different designs, it can be peplum blouse, designer blouse, or if you take crop tops which is in a western look, even you can take that one only in 450.
So ఏ కటింగ్ అయినా ఎలాంటి డిజైన్ అయినా సేమ్ ప్రైస్ కదా స్టిచ్చింగ్ కి?
It's same.
ఓకే, సో ఎనీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డిజైన్ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ, సో అన్నిటికీ స్టిచ్చింగ్ వచ్చేసి సేమ్ ప్రైస్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మగ్గం వర్క్ కూడా మీరే చేస్తారా?
మగ్గం వర్క్ కూడా మేమే చేస్తాము. మగ్గం వర్క్ స్టార్ట్స్ బేసిక్ కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రమ్ 800. సో బయట వచ్చేసి మగ్గం వర్క్ విచ్ పీపుల్ గో వెరీ క్రేజీ లైక్ సౌత్ ఇండియన్ బ్లౌజెస్ అండ్ ఆల్. సో దే లైక్ మగ్గం వర్క్, అది వదిలేసి ఇంకా జరీ వర్క్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆల్సో దే గో. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు డిజైన్ we might charge extra if it is a full blouse and all.
చాలా 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 బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది అండ్ చాలా నీట్గా కూడా ఉంది చూడండి. మనము మగ్గం వర్క్కి స్టార్టింగ్ రేంజ్ వచ్చేసి 1500, 1800, 2000 అలా ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఇక్కడ మనకి స్టార్టింగ్ రేంజ్ 800 నుండి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందంట. సో మీరు కూడా ఈ షాప్కి విజిట్ చేస్తారనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఇలా సింపుల్గా కావాలంటే సింపుల్గా వేస్తారు, అండ్ హెవీ లుక్ కనిపించాలంటే హెవీ లుక్ ఇలా హ్యాండ్కి ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ క్రేజ్ కదా. సో ఫుల్గా హ్యాండ్స్కి ఫుల్గా వర్క్ ఉండేసి బ్యాక్ అండ్ ఫ్రంట్ సింపుల్గా వేసుకునే వాళ్ళు చాలామంది ఉన్నారు. సో అలాంటి వర్క్ కావాలన్నా ఇక్కడ అన్ని ఫెసిలిటీస్ అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ మార్కెట్ కాస్ట్ మైట్ బి 5000, 6000. వాట్ డు యూ సే? యూ రోమ్ a lot కదా.
For mostly 4500, 5000, 5500 depends, sir.
So మా దగ్గర 2800 is what we get.
Oh, that's great.
And when it comes to Maggam work, people know it pretty well. Silk sarees and all lo piglipotadani antaru kada chepiste. So we have introduced this raw silk which is like completely strong for the Maggam work. So this is a very intricate arika work with cotton thread. So ఇది చేస్తే బేసికలీ వితౌట్ ఫ్యూజింగ్ ఆర్ వితౌట్ సిల్క్ మీద పిగిలిపోతుంది తొందరగా. సో ఈ వర్క్ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ఇట్స్ ఎ కంప్లీట్లీ స్ట్రాంగ్. ఇది చేసి కూడా ఇట్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 6 months, more than 6 months బిఫోర్ లాక్డౌన్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ డన్. బట్ యెట్ ఇట్స్ దాట్ స్ట్రాంగ్. ఒక 5-6 years పెడితే కూడా ఈ రా సిల్క్ పైన ఇది పిగిలిపోదు. అదే మార్కెట్లో ఉన్న రా సిల్క్ ఇది you can see transparency in the fabric. దీనికి కొంచెం జస్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ జస్ట్ డ్రాగ్ ఇట్ ఇది పిగిలిపోతుంది ఇంకా.
ఓకే, సో ఇది చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంది ప్రెజెంట్.
స్ట్రాంగ్ ఫర్ మగ్గం వర్క్. ఇంకా ప్లస్ ఇది ఎలా ఉందంటే ఇట్స్ ఓన్లీ 350 రూపీస్ పర్ మీటర్, డయబుల్ వన్ అవైలబుల్ ఉంది. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు కలర్ శారీ క్లయింట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అండ్ శారీ కా కలర్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ దాంతో మ్యాచింగ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఈజీ. Completely on raw silk. They can wear it with the off-white. Later if they want to change the color they can get it changed.
సో ఇక్కడ లెహెంగాస్ కూడా ప్రతి లైక్ ఓన్లీ బ్లౌజెస్ స్టిచ్ చేస్తారా? లెహెంగాస్ కానీ లేదంటే శారీస్ పైన వర్క్ వేసి ఇవ్వడం కానీ, లేదంటే నేను ఏదైనా ఓల్డ్ శారీస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, సో అలాంటి వాటిని కూడా కస్టమైజ్ చేసి ఇస్తారా?
Completely customization available undi. Apart from blouses, kurtis also we charge only 450 including lining, any design, any pattern. When it comes to bottom, it's not only about blouses and kurtis, right? Bottom, when it's come to bottom, cigar pants, chudidar, shalwar, palazzo, petal pants, any kind of cut we charge only 100. Even for the men, even for the women. So we won't charge more extra. So you can అప్పుడు ఇంత లో ప్రైస్ ఉంటే ఐ హ్యావ్ ఈవెన్ సీన్ దిస్ క్లయింట్స్కి దే హ్యావ్ మోర్ ఆప్షన్ ఫర్ ద డిజైనింగ్. ఫర్ రెగ్యులర్ వేర్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ వేర్ సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ కట్స్ అండ్ డిజైనర్ వేర్ కట్స్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ వీ చార్జ్.
సో ఇది అంతా మీ ఓన్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్?
Yes, own manufacturing. And when it comes to lehenga we charge 550. It can be kali cut, it can be pleated one, it can be cross or circular cut. And if you're going with can we charge 800. And market lo gone chepiyadaniki velte people, girls are very crazy about gone nowadays. It might be a birthday or might be a marriage. So 800 without the can 1200 with can what we charge. It can be any kind of layers, any kind of pattern, does not matter.
Okay,
any kind of size also. So this is a gown. Basically you can see this Chandana.
Yeah.
So we are ready to sell this one only in 5,000. When it comes to the flare, it's 9 meters of flare. Okay. Organza fabric too, you can see the finishing, wire finishing and velvet ka body. So if people are getting it stitched in this pattern, I'm ready to get it converted 800. So chala mandi sarees teeskoni vastaru because after this lockdown thing people does not want to spend much. They are not even attending many functions and all. So the girls who have saved their sarees or mamas who have saved their sarees, they'll get it and they get it converted. Like this is an old dupatta what we have converted into a sharara. So it's I think more than 18 years old. So we have converted this one into a sharara piece. So a kurti and a bottom is complete flayed wala skirt and it has a zari work on it. So it was her mama's wedding lehenga with dupatta and we have converted for her daughter. So apart from designer wear and customization, we do even have regular kurtis where you can buy from here only with less price like manufacturing cost, which is in 300. When you go to any online site or any showroom and all, you basically people pay 700 for this. So these are only for 300.
So we can get it here small size to XXL.
Double XL and even 3XL, and we even provide margins inside. So people who are like worried about, they are like about weight or about sizes might increase, we have extra margins inside to check. I'll show you that too. I'll show you one sample which is of 3XL, bigger size. It's 3XL to 5XL that she can wear. We have extra margins inside.
Okay.
Extra margins you. And this. Apart from that, if somebody is like worried about the fittings in ready-made stuff too, we have a trial room. They can give a trial, they can get a fitting done free of cost. So these are silk Chanderi silk kurtis with lining with gota patti on it. Even in that we have given the extra margins. So ladies are like more attractive when they have extra margins. You know, they can even pick it up in a very, without giving a second thought, within a 2 or 3 minutes. So like, giving an extra margin, it's for their comfort. So this kind of few kurtis which I have shown you. Apart from that, people who want to gift somebody, like, you know, they don't know the sizes, they take dress materials.
This is complete dress material or only kurti set, this one?
No, this is a palazzo sets with the ready palazzo inside, because bottom mein fittings are very easy to get fit. So this is a palazzo with rayon, a very soft rayon, and it has a more flare with 2 pockets and belt and back elastic, and we have those many colors in palazzo, which is in only 399 rupees.
Oh.
And the kurti including palazzo which you take with maggam work, it's only 1550. We have from 1200 to 1550 में dress materials. This is a Lucknowi set including dupatta and lining and bottom.
Lining also included in this?
Yes.
Okay, that's great.
This one.
So in outside we are getting only dress material without lining.
Without lining. And over here. So this is Lucknowi, and this is Mangalgiri cotton ke pieces with handloom dupatta inside. So people who need comfort, they can go with this.
Okay.
Mangalgiri cotton suit with dupatta, handloom dupatta. Even the suit is not plain, it's with maggam work. You can see it has a mirror work.
And color combination also very nice.
Yeah, the bottom comes black color and the kurti is blue and the handloom dupatta. Suit with completely handwork on it. Apart from fashion, people need comfort too. So we usually give people stretchable fabric for bottoms, so that they can easily sit, do regular routine work, day-to-day life. They can be, you know, they can even dance in this. We have this leggings too, which is free size and completely stretchable. 1 wash through, 2 washes through will it quality ka dedi. You can check that. And we have chudi and we have ankle length. Ankle length is in fashion now. People want ankle length. They are feeling comfort.
In this also we can get it all the sizes.
All the sizes and all the colors too. We have feminine jeans with completely stretchable one. Deentlo kuda manaki sizes unnai. 28 nunchi 40 varaku. We give only for 449. Ade market value, you must know it. 1499, 1699. So these are the. So apart from this, we have menswear too. So it might be any kind of kurta or any kind of pattern shirt. We charge only 400 for the customization. And when you take the fabrics over here, it starts from 80 rupees to 650. Like, you know, people get it customized in Mangalgiri cotton. 80 rupees per meter. Iska kurta banaya hua bhi I can show you. This is 80 rupees per meter Mangalgiri cotton, and this is menswear ka kurta, which got stitched for our client.
Okay, this can be used for like Mangal Sna Handi. Yeah, in Telugu we say Mangal Snanam.
People come usually for that. So I even, you know, many kind of different.
So what's the cost of this?
Shades. So this is around 650.
Okay.
Because the per meter it's 80 rupees and 400 stitching, so it's costing only 650. And people who like, you know, designer buttons, we give that, and people who are aged one who don't like designer buttons or something shiny sparkling thing, we give normal buttons too. This is a sherwani.
Oh, nice.
People who are, you know, into a marriage season ki shopping me, they can come to us. They can get it sized according to that exact fitting, जो भी शेरवानी and blazer का रहेगा.
And the maggam work ikkade vesaru kada?
हाँ, the maggam work is over here. So according to their budget, we can give the makam work, or if they want a plain one, this is our own fabric. You can see. Out of this, we have made this sherwani. And imagine this price, Chandana, price for this per meter.
మేబీ ఒక 600 అలా ఉంటుంది.
No, it's only 250 per meter.
ఓ అండ్ చాలా లావుగా ఉంది అండ్
kind of a Raymond, you can say Raymond finishing. So we have made only in 4,500 this sherwani, including bottom with off-white combination. Even for this sherwani, you can even see that fabric. So this is completely neoprene fabric, a western wear fabric. So we have made sherwani out of it. It costs 650 per meter, and we have made only for 6,500. You can see over here, it's an intricate work. If people who are Muslim, they can find what it is. It's mashallah what we have written on it. It's a completely calligraphy. So with the zari work, we have done calligraphy. We have only given on the right hand, because you know, this word can't be written on somewhere else, not near to that. So it's a customized design, contemporary design on it. So we have given this.
And now
this is black work sherwani. You can see it's a completely blueprint wala design what we have made on the collar and the buttons and this. So you can ask the price of this. The customization made only in 3,800 for this.
Wow.
Apart from sherwanis, we have blazers too. So iska shirt. It's a 5-piece suit, and this blazer has waistcoat inside and the bottom too, including shirt and tie. So we have 5-piece wala blazer. We are giving only for 3,800, and you can check the finishings. This is a shirt, Pintex shirt, cotton Pintex white shirt, and ready tie, ready to wear tie. People spend around 14,000 outside. So this is Jodhpuri. Even this costs 3,800 only with pant. Jodhpuri is also in trend nowadays. So this is pant. This is inside finishing.
షోరూమ్స్ అలా ఎలాంటి అంటే ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అవైలబుల్ ఉంటుంది?
Designer wear fabrics aithe you had a blink kada. Apart from that, you have more designer wear fabrics. Then rayon you have, which is only 100 rupees per meter, and garden variety fabrics we have prints, which is only in 150 meter. Market lo 349 untundi. Linings, crepe, and many more. Like when you'll come to showroom, I'll definitely show you more fabrics.
సో ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఆషాఢం కదా, ఆషాఢం శ్రావణం. సో కొన్ని షోరూమ్స్లో బయట మార్కెట్లో సేల్ డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది పెడుతున్నారు కదా, అలాంటివి ఏమైనా అవైలబుల్ ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ కూడా?
టు బి వెరీ ఫ్రాంక్, ఫెస్టివ్ సీజన్లో సేల్ అయితే ఉంటుంది కదా బయట. సో ఇక్కడ హినాబ్లో యూల్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫీల్ లైక్ ఇట్స్ ఎ ఫెస్టివ్ సీజన్ బికాస్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ కాస్ట్ completely. So what I am telling you, if it is a retail cost, like you know, legging 349 unta, I am already telling you to low price 199, which is manufacturing cost. So discounts aithe there are no discounts, but every day you can feel like a manufacturing cost is a best price for you instead of going retail lo discounts. Retail lo 500 ani cheppin tarvata, then you'll get 300 lo discount. Here already you are getting in 150 that price. So that's actually double discount what you are getting.
అండ్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ కస్టమైజ్డ్ అయినా లేదంటే మీకు బల్క్లో ఆర్డర్స్ వస్తాయా?
We get bulk orders also from few companies or from few stores. We get bulk orders, and we have a unit, a small unit which is in first floor. Over there, and apart from this, our customization designer boutique, we have Pratik collection, which is next to this. So that's my brother's place only. He's handling that, and you can shop in a very low price, and you can get it like, you know, bulk orders also. If you people who are following this channel, retail stores unte, You can even get, you know, consignment based maybe you can get over from there. And apart from that, you can get shirts, pants, t-shirts. They are hit from 18 years. They are doing it very good.
And in Pratik, we are shopping for almost from 3 to 4 years. We are shopping in Pratik.
And that's great.
Yeah.
And people, ikkada clients vache vallu kuda, they will tell it. Okay, you know, we are coming from 18 years. We are coming from 12 years from Pratik. So that's a very, you know, backbone for Hinab is Pratik, to be very frank. So clients over there, they come over there for the shopping retail one, and the designer wear and customization occasional wear, Hinab. So you can follow me on Insta, Hinab, with the name of Hinab, and Facebook too. And you can even do WhatsApp me if you have any dots related with queries or alterations or any designs or any kind of theme based designing also. You can give me a call. And do subscribe to this channel too, because no one will, you know, share when they are shopping, like, you know, very good products from somewhere. The other people might tell you ke, like, you know, we have purchased it in these many cost, or might show off in front of people. But she is the one who is actually telling ke, like, from where she is shopping, that to low price, that to good quality. So do subscribe to this channel. You are gonna get more good information.